So today I've decided to try to fix up the interior of my 1978 Ford F-150. Here you can see the driver's seat is pretty busted up. All the foam is deteriorating and it's very uncomfortable to sit on. So let's turn this into this. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, you can see here how busted this is. You can see the springs through the foam here. This is all shredded, but it's really only the driver's seat that's bad. So I just ordered this. It's just a fabric bench seat cover, and then I just ordered some foam. So let's see if we can fix this, or at least make it look better. So fair warning here, I've definitely never done anything like this, never worked with upholstery or seating or anything. So I'm just thinking I would cut the fabric off of the existing seat and then remove the foam that was kind of missing or rotting away. And this would make it easier to replace with new foam. I cut out pieces of foam that would cover the indentations of the seat. And then I decided the best way to kind of keep the foam in place would be to tuck it into the existing seat cover. So for the bottom, I just put a couple pieces down where there kind of was a hole, and then put a solid piece on top of that, tucked it in all around. It seemed to stay pretty well. I did use a staple gun there, but I don't think it really helped much. And then I just put the seat cover on top and pulled the seat belts through. Okay, I got the seat belts through the cover here, and then I realized I didn't read the directions. It comes with these ropes, and the back side of the cover has these loops. And you're supposed to tie the rope to the loops and then push them through the seat. You know, and they'll come out the back here, and then you're supposed to loop those under the seat and tie them to the loops that are here. So this part definitely takes a lot of effort, but you know, it's a simple concept, so anyone can do it. And getting the loops attached using the provided ropes really makes the seat cover nice and flush on the seat, so it really works. And then you basically do the same thing for the top of the seat cover. There's loops on the back of the top part of the seat cover as well. And what I ended up doing was tying those ropes to the existing ropes that I used for the bottom of the seat cover. So it just made everything nice and taut and flush against the seat. And there's the finished product. Clean the inside a bit, put the seat on. I think it looks great. I mean, from the inside, it looks pretty awesome for a 4-year-old car. I mean, the seat cover really did a lot. One cool thing about them, it has these pockets in the front, so you could put like tools in them, your phone when you're driving or whatever. It's a pretty neat little feature. So yeah, I think this thing worked great. It's a pretty, you know, simple idea, but it really does the trick. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.